Welcome back to the Claude Code course. This is lesson 3, and today we're answering a question every long session eventually raises. Where did all my context go? Here's the thing, your window isn't just your conversation. The system prompt, tools, MCP servers, and memory files all take a slice before you type a word. The /context command shows you exactly who's eating what. Let's jump into a live session that's been running a while and see the breakdown for ourselves. First, we type /context and hit enter. Notice there are no flags to remember here, no arguments, nothing to configure. It's a pure read-only report, so we can run it as often as we like without changing anything in the session. One command, and the full picture appears. Right away, we get the fixed overhead. The system prompt itself is small, but look at the tools. System tools take a real slice, and MCP tools here are eating over 12% of the window before our conversation even starts. Every connected server adds to this baseline cost. Then comes the part that actually grows. Memory files sit at a few percent, but the conversation messages dominate nearly half the window in this session. That leaves us about 31% free. Watching these two numbers over time tells you exactly when things are getting tight. So what do we do with this information? Simple. When free space gets low and messages dominate the breakdown, that's your signal to act. Run /compact to summarize the history, or /clear to start fresh. We'll cover both of those, and this report is how you know it's time. So, the essentials. /context prints a full breakdown of your window. System prompt, system tools, MCP tools, memory files, and your conversation messages, each with a percentage. Remember that a big chunk of the window is spoken for before you type anything, so keep an eye on what your tools and MCP servers cost. The free space number is your early warning. When messages dominate and free space shrinks, that's exactly when to reach for /compact or /clear. Find the whole Claude Code course at Standarity.com and join us in lesson 4, where /clear wipes the slate completely clean.